Hi guys, welcome to this video about the limitations of the CyberLink PowerDirector. Here you can see I'm preparing a video with a lot of small clips. I have about 7 or 8 or even 9 tracks on top of each other, and I have really small pieces. They are about 9 seconds or so, and the whole length is about 2 minutes. And as you can see, I had to put one after each other, and so with all these small pieces, the CyberLink PowerDirector really comes to the capacity, and you can really feel that it's struggling with everything. I mean, if you have to do such work, I do highly recommend using something else. I love the CyberLink PowerDirector, but it has some limitations. I mean, when we check the Microsoft Movie Maker, of course, it would be really difficult to do something like that. It's almost impossible because of the amount of tracks and manipulation and speed adjustments and everything. It's almost, I think it would be impossible. So this has definitely more capabilities, but here we have definitely reached the end of the capacity. I think maybe if you have a little bit more RAM. I have 16 gigabytes, but I'm not sure if it would help a lot. Maybe it's just the CyberLink PowerDirector. What I'm also struggling with, I have these small pieces and I have to repeat them, and when I press Ctrl C, I mean, I cannot just press Ctrl V and it will then append here. I have to really move. I have to push here again because it will unselect otherwise the track, and I have to push to move the timeline here. Sometimes click here again and then paste it, and of course it won't paste it seamlessly. There will always be a gap. I mean, there's almost no way you hit the end of the previous clip. So at the end you have to move all these clips to remove this space, and as you can see, it's really difficult when you have so many small clips in so many tracks. It's super difficult to find where to go. I'm really struggling heavily, and I mean, this is something what Microsoft Movie Maker has no problems with. That you can mark a small clip and press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and it will append this video clip right at the end of the previous one, and you can do it just press Ctrl V 7 times and the whole line will be filled. And here it's a huge struggle to do that. There's no way to remove this space automatically. I do this here and here, and as you can see, I mean, I've been trying to mark this and do something with that in the context menu. Or I mean, the thing is, you can mark this space in between, and I was hoping that with the context menu of this space in between, you could say delete and then it would delete the space. No, it doesn't work. And I have been looking into forums, and there is nothing about that, and people really say, yeah, you have to do it manually. That's a crazy thing. I mean, that's a really a big lack of functionality with the CyberLink PowerDirector. And even worse of that, the thing is, when you, I save this work so I don't lose it when it crashes. Luckily it doesn't crash a lot, but really a bad thing, when I was adjusting the first video here regarding the speed, it took the whole timeline of other tracks apart. I don't know why. I mean, we can go to this thing and just to try, and then we go to tools, power tools for the speed adjustment, and sometimes it was also really struggling with that because it was just showing the speed adjustment for the whole clip. I'm not sure if this is the speed adjustment for, yeah, you see the entire clip. You have to go to the selected range. I don't know why it's not working now. Yeah, I'm just going ahead with that. You have two possibilities regarding the speed adjustment. You have this thing here and you have the time, and now I have nothing. I don't know why. This is a little bit strange. So anyway, I do here are these seconds, I think, and I change the time. Actually, it should do something. Usually I was able to see the change. Now actually not. Yeah, I just press OK. Let's see what happens. Yeah, as you can see, there was some gap produced here and here. Oops. Luckily not more, but for some reason also here. But last time it was even much worse. When I changed the duration of one single clip, let's say here, it inserted space everywhere, here and here and here and here and here and almost everywhere. I mean, yeah, it looks like it comes really to its limit when you have so many clips, so many tracks. Speed adjustment everywhere. I mean, I have speed adjustment everywhere. It's simply, I think it's simply too much. So either you have to move to a different software, which I think will be the case, or maybe try with more RAM or something like that, but I'm not sure if this really works. Maybe it's just not designed to do so many things or to handle so many tracks and so many changes and everything. So if you have to do work like I have now, yeah, choose something else. This is really my recommendation for now. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And yeah, anyway, if you have other experience, I mean other problems, if your limits are totally different, would be really interesting to learn from you. Just leave a comment in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.